Hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. I hope you guys are doing well. And let's understand today how you can connect Exness with your TradingView account, right? Many people are searching on the web that how you can connect Exness with your TradingView application. So let's go to the TradingView application. This is the TradingView application. I just log in, right? In TradingView application, once you go to this broker section, right, you'll see the list of all the brokers done application, Bing X, app features, fires. You can see here you'll not find any, you know, you'll not find any company name Exness, right? So in this case, what you can do, right? See, Exness broker is trading you using our TradingView chart, right? So you can use Exness terminal in case of using the TradingView charts in the trading using TradingView application. You can use the Exness terminal. Exness terminal comes with all the TradingView features which you are looking for, right? It has multiple features, but in this there is a challenge. One challenge is you cannot use customize trading view features, customized trading view indicators on this Exness account. So for that you only have to use the trading view application only, and this you can use that specific you know charts. And another thing, let me go on the chart and let me go to the trading panel. Here you can see, like, if you want to go with this specific you know uh, specific you can go with this specific company which allows you for interactive brokers is also good for forex, right? You can go open an account in this company as well. There was one company named FXCM was also there, but it's not available right now. So these are the companies as of now. I'm recording it from India. So this is the companies allowed in India. So if you are an international player, there will be rest companies as well. You can check. Okay, so this is for now. And if you want to go to the Exness terminal, you can just sign it up from the Exness terminal. From here you'll get a description link, Exness link from the description. You can go and sign up there and use the TradingView features as per the requirement you have. Okay, and if you want to use the TradingView charts, you can go to TradingView and just a second, you can go to the trading view and open this forex chart and apply the indicators, and you can use that as well. So I do sell trading view indicators. If you have any requirement for getting a good quality indicator that exactly works, you can contact me. You'll get my WhatsApp number over here in the description. Okay, I hope it's understood, and there is no any such method to use as of now to use Exness with TradingView. Do not club, right? So if you want to use TradingView charts, you can go with the Exness terminal and register there for your specific needs. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm adding all the description in the all the points, Exness URL and my indicator videos and demo videos you can find in the description section. Thank you. Thanks for your time watching this video. Thank you.